Hi fans, here with Manny, Malhotra, Weise, myself here. We are doing the airplane challenge, the paper airplane. We got the 2 instructions here, or you can make your own and we'll see who flies the furthest. So here we go. Make my nice ball in here, unless you can see him.
When was the last time you made one?
I'm not gonna lie, maybe a couple weeks ago.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, my son came home, said he wanted to make paper airplanes, so we got after it. Decorated them and everything.
Oh, I like that. What kind of fold does he make in here? Just like this? All right, all right. I don't know how aerodynamic mine's gonna be here. Can I put some tape on mine?
What is that?
That's a thick
That's
black.
not street legal, that tape.
Thick black. Just need a little piece, I think, here. That's a good looking plane here. I'm looking. Got yours ready to go there?
It's a little off.
Mine's kind of awkward looking, but I think the tape might.
Oh, I think we know whose this is.
Yep.
It's okay.
I think we do. Signage just so you can shoot and did that.
There you go.
That's a beautiful looking plane there, actually. This is more of like a, I don't know what this is, to be honest.
That's a cargo jet.
Yeah, it is.
That's just a freight, that's just a pure...
It's really gonna sit up there nicely, I think. Just a trial run. Okay. Okay, we might be all right, we'll see. I'm a little worried about it. Just hoping the wings are gonna float up here.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh!